Hi dear friends, in today's video we'll create these kind of beautiful hoop Christmassy earrings. Please tag me on your social media when you will create these beauties and I will share your creation to my stories, and let's keep in touch. All necessary materials what I will use for this tutorial you can find in description below this video. If you would like to create this kind of ring as well as a set or as a gift, I will leave link somewhere here and in description below this video. We will need Bead wire. I will take at around half a meter of this wire. And first of all, I will need to secure my wire around the hoop. I will do so by going around the base a few times. I will make sure my rounds around the hoop are neat. Then I will use pliers to press the tail of the wire next to our hoop, that it's not scratching ourselves or our clients. It's ready. And now what I will do is I will just, with the other end of the wire, I will take seed beads. I have here seed beads in 4 colors. They are size 10 Czech seed beads, and I will take them in different variations. I will just enter with my wire, just go inside every seed beads with our wire. Sometimes check that the colors are mixed, that you don't have only red or green. We will need quite a lot. So just meditate, relax and take some seed beads on the wire. When some of your seed beads are on the wire, and we will need to go around our hoop base with seed beads that we have on the wire. Hold our beginning of the wire, hold it and go around with the seed beads. First round is always hardest, but then it will be very easy. We hold it and just go around our base with the wire and seed beads on it, this way. Make sure you don't have empty wire around our base. As you can see, our start is ready. Now we will need to take more seed beads, but before I will press a bit our seed beads to the beginning of our earring, and we continue. Again, take seed beads on our wire, and then again we will go around with the wire and seed beads around our hoop base. And last one here. We go around, we make sure everything is like we need, and then we just go around with our wire few times around our hoop base. We can help ourselves with the pliers this way. Then if you need, you cut extra, but I am fine. And I will just press tail of the wire next to my base, not to scratch ourselves. And I will press. I will check from everywhere that my earring is perfect. And my hoop Christmassy earrings are ready. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to like this video and comment below if you have any questions. Have a lovely day. Bye!